What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If most of you are watching this video, then you're probably here because you've seen the title of this video and you want to start a YouTube channel, right? So why haven't you started? There's a lot of different reasons why people don't start a YouTube channel in 2025. I think it's probably the best time to start a YouTube channel. YouTube has over 2.5 billion monthly active users here on this platform, and that's a lot of people. So why haven't you started your channel? There's a lot of reasons why you may have not started your channel yet, or maybe that you started a YouTube channel, you created a YouTube channel, but you just haven't uploaded no videos. If you don't upload no videos, then you're not going to know how your channel is going to do, and you're not going to have any kind of confidence of becoming a content creator here on YouTube. YouTube has everything that you need to start a channel, and YouTube gives you all the tools that you need to start a YouTube channel. There are no limitations here on YouTube. YouTube doesn't put any kind of limitations on how many videos you can upload. You can upload as many videos as you want, when you want, anytime you want. It's pretty amazing to have a platform like that. But most people are too afraid to start a YouTube channel for whatever reasons. I'm not sure, but I have a couple of ideas on why some people may not want to start a channel. Most people don't want to start a YouTube channel because, first of all, they're not used to talking to a camera. It takes a lot of practice. You got to keep practicing, and you never really get that great at doing it, but you get more confident talking on camera. If you're like me, I still struggle with talking on a camera. I really do. Sometimes I have to shoot the video 2 or 3 times before I get the right take. And this is something that everybody goes through. But don't let that stop you from creating videos. Don't let that stop you from uploading videos. Just practice as much as you can, and eventually you will get better. When you're talking to a camera, you pretty much have to think of it as a friend that you're talking to, and sometimes it helps out a little bit. One of the things I find really weird is that when I'm shooting like these videos, if my camera's off and I kind of do like a dry run and I talk to the camera while the camera is off, I'm pretty much okay. But the minute I turn that camera on, something happens. I don't know what happens, but it's almost like the room is full with a bunch of people and it gets you a little nervous sometimes talking to the camera. But like I said, you're going to get better with that. If you start your YouTube channel in 2025, there's a lot of resources here on this platform that'll help you with this. And there's a lot of videos that you will see that'll help you get comfortable with making YouTube videos. You don't need all the best gear to do this stuff. If you're able to record with your phone, because your smartphone has everything you need to actually record, it has a great video, the audio is pretty decent, and once you start doing that, you can upload those videos right from your phone to YouTube, because YouTube makes it pretty easy. But if you don't make the effort and you don't start uploading it, you're not going to know how you're going to do here as a creator on YouTube. Now, this is something that everybody goes through when we first start out. We're really uncomfortable with everything that we do. We don't know how to talk on a microphone. We don't know how to talk to the camera. And this is just stuff you're going to learn as you go along. So don't think that when you first start a channel that you have to know all of this before you start your channel, because you actually don't. The more I look at the channels now today, the new channels that's popping up today, people are they're telling their life stories. They're telling things, saying things that go on in their life, and they're getting really good responses from it. So 2025 is definitely different. I think 2025 is probably one of the best years for YouTube, for anybody who wants to create a YouTube channel in 2025. There's a lot of opportunities here on YouTube for you as a creator. You can make some decent money from it, and it can open up a lot of new doors for you here on YouTube. I can't encourage you enough to start a channel in 2025, because I think it's a good opportunity and it's a really great learning curve for you as well. When people start a channel, they start a channel for a lot of different reasons. I'm here because I want to share different things with people, and hopefully I can inspire somebody to start a YouTube channel, because it's a lot of fun and it's really simple once you get the hang of it. I see more and more people now these days that's in their senior years starting YouTube channels than ever before. And I got to tell you this, that their YouTube channels are doing pretty well. And the reason why their YouTube channels are doing pretty well is because they're sharing some of their life experiences with the community and with the people online here. And people are reacting to that. And people can relate to it because they're being genuine with their stories. They're telling real life stories of things that go on in their life that they want to share. And people can sympathize with that. And people are embracing that. And I think that's a good thing. So you really, when you think about it, you're sitting on a pot of gold. You just don't know it yet until you share it with the community of YouTube and the people online here on this platform. That's one of the biggest things I see in 2025. And the trend is just amazing. There's so many people doing it here on this platform. And I see it each and every day when I go on the homepage of YouTube. I see new channels popping up with clearly no views or no subscribers, but they're sharing their life stories and they're sharing things that they want people to know. And they're really doing well. So don't let anything keep you back from starting a channel. It doesn't take much to start a YouTube channel. Once you get your channel up, you can start practicing recording your videos. And when you're ready, just hit that record button and publish your first YouTube video. I hope this video inspires you to do so. I really do, because it's a really great opportunity that we have to record our videos and share our videos with people online and people around the world. There's no other platform in the world like YouTube. As a matter of fact, there are more people watching YouTube than any other platform. And most of the people now are watching YouTube from the television as well. So where do you think YouTube is going to be a couple of years from now? It's going to be, and it is, one of the most popular platforms in the world. So get a piece of the pie. Start your YouTube channel today. My name is Rob G, and I hope this video inspires you to start your YouTube channel. Post your comments below and let me know if you've been thinking about it, or if you even created a channel, what's holding you back? I really like to know. My name is Rob G, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.